A district-level advocacy cum training program under the aegis of Bandhan Vikas Kendra scheme was held at the Technopal District Headquarter Community Hall today. Divisional Forest Officer Technopal Forest organized the program. Deputy Commissioner Technopal District M. Rajkumar, Deputy Conservator Forest Technopal Division Dr. Laisang Them, GC Lee, Technopal Village Chief John Thangkholen Mate and Maira Foods proprietor Hanjabam Shubhra Devi attended the program as guests. Arunachal Pradesh is observing the 34th anniversary of Statehood Day at IG Park, Itanagar today. Home Minister Amit Shah and Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh are attending the statehood function. Arunachal Pradesh Governor Retired Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, Chief Minister Pema Khandu and Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju are also participating in the program. A training program on bamboo processing machines has begun at Common Facility Center, Saungbung, Imphal today. The program is jointly organized by Can and Bamboo Technology Center, Assam and National Bamboo Mission, Manipur State. Additional Principal Conservator of Forest, Dr. D.D. Hawkip, speaking at the inaugural function, said that the government is all set to start massive bamboo plantation in the state. Man accused in the murder case of Chongtham Marina, Ayekpam Chinglen was taken for 5 days remand in police custody by CJM Imphal West. Chinglen was produced before the Chairab court today. According to police, Chinglen was produced before court after his time in police custody ended for further investigation. While Chinglen was being produced in the court, enraged women folk stormed the court. A brand new authorized sub-dealership showroom of Suzuki Motorcycle India Private Limited under the banner Kamini Suzuki was inaugurated today at Thawal Bazaar. HDFC Thawal branch manager Okram Arun Singh inaugurated the new showroom. 28 persons in Lucknow have been asked to pay around Rs 64 lakh as recovery for damage to private and public property during the protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act at the Parivartan Chowk on December 19. According to reports, several vehicles including a state bus and police motorcycles were set on fire or damaged in the arson and vandalism. The Supreme Court today dismissed the curative petition filed by an association of the victims of the 1997 Uphaar Cinema fire tragedy case, sparing the Ansal brothers further jail term. As per media reports, a three-judge bench comprising Chief Justice S.A. Bodbe and Justices N.V. Ramana and Arjun Mishra considered the curative plea by the Association for Victims of Uphaar Tragedy in chamber and dismissed it.